Hey, Angie Nelson here from theworkathomewife.com. Today we're going to be talking about some great companies that hire all across the U.S. A lot of you have expressed some concerns or frustrations and finding out that maybe some of the opportunities available don't hire in your state. That's something we're going to be overcoming and addressing today with some great opportunities that are open to anyone within the United States, no matter what state you're living in. So make sure you stay till the end of the video to find out how you can get my 7-day series on finding work at home. And let's jump into some of those great opportunities. Now, there are a number of reasons that companies may have some state restrictions on their at-home employees. For some, they want to simply keep their agents within the state that they have a physical presence. In some other instances, there are some states that may make things a little more difficult or less advantageous for companies because of their employment laws or their taxes. But there are quite a few companies that do hire regardless of the state that you live in. They may not have openings available to every state all the time, but they may have some open in your region right now or maybe soon. And some of those are going to be the ones that we're talking about today. And even better news, a lot of these are companies that you've already heard of. So you can rest assured that these are going to be legitimate opportunities. Now, the first opportunity we're going to talk about is American Express. American Express has a really large pool of at-home customer service agents. Many of these customer service agents don't necessarily work on the financial side of American Express, but on the travel side instead. So these can be some great opportunities for those of you that really want to flex your travel muscles. Maybe you have a background in travel. Maybe you have some travel agent experience, or maybe it's just a field that you're really interested. American Express does have a large number of openings at any given time for their remote workforce. And these are going to be employee positions, so some of them are going to come with benefits. Now, Apple is another company that hires all across the United States. They are specifically looking for their at-home employees to have some knowledge of their operating system. And Apple is one that is going to provide you with some equipment as well. Apple does hire for both chat and phone-based positions, and this is another one that is going to have employee positions available that do offer some benefits. Now, staying in that same industry here, we also have plenty of openings available that we see quite frequently with Dell. Dell's positions, they aren't all tech-based positions, so if that's something that you're concerned about, they do have other remote positions available as well. You can hop on over to their job board and go ahead and search for anything that has the word remote in the title. Now, while we're discussing some phone-based customer service positions, we don't want to miss out on Uhaul. This is a company that has a large demand for at-home customer service agents and sales agents, and they are hiring quite frequently. Now, this is one, when we talked before about you may not see openings in every region all the time, you may want to keep an eye on their job boards for openings in your region. Now, if phone jobs aren't your thing, we do have some other opportunities available as well. LeapForce is a really popular opportunity among my blog readers and followers. They are going to offer some search engine evaluation and ad evaluation positions, and those are going to be non-phone based. You're going to be doing things like Google searches and then letting LeapForce know whether the results that you're being shown are relevant and quality results for that specific search. Now, these are going to be project-based jobs, so they aren't going to last forever. And sometimes they do come with some hourly restrictions. We have seen some of those projects that are limited to maybe 1 hour a day. We have also seen some that allow you to work up to 20 hours per week. And they're really flexible most of the time as well as far as scheduling is concerned. Now, Revcom is going to be the last one that we're speaking about in this video. And this is going to be a great one for those of you out there who love to type. This is going to be a transcription position. Now, if you aren't familiar with transcription, what that means is that you are listening to an audio file and you're typing it out into a text file for your client. A Rev offers some great short files, and these are ones that you can just hop in when you have time available, pick them up, and complete the work. So if you are looking for something really flexible without a lot of scheduling commitment, Revcom is one that you may want to check into. Now, in the description below, I'm going to leave you a link to a blog post that has a list of several other opportunities in addition to those that we discussed today. If you are looking for even more jobs that you can do from any state, Flux Jobs is a great job board that I recommend. They do have an advanced job search feature that will allow you to type in your specific state and get some specific results just for those companies that are hiring in your state at that time. So that's one that you may want to look into. And I do have a video on Flux Jobs as well if you want to hop over to my channel and give that a view. It'll kind of explain to you a little bit more about that advanced job feature and how to take advantage of that. Now, if you like today's video, please give it a like and a share, and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so you'll get notification of the next video. And make sure you hop down to the description to pick up that free 7-day series on finding work at home that I mentioned before. Until next time, I wish you best of luck in your work at home job search.